Hi to all. Once again, welcome back to Avisan Kitchen. Today we are going to make fish fry in Hamare style. It's a sardine fish. It's a simple, quick and very tasty recipe. I'm sure you are going to make it. So let's start. I have taken here sardine fish. I have cleaned them nicely. Now first I'm going to add fish sauce in it. Then turmeric powder, red chilli powder, garam masala powder and salt as per taste. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil. Mix it nicely. Now add corn flour. Corn flour will give crispiness to fish. Mix it nicely. And keep it aside. Now take oil in a pan. Put the gas on low to medium flame. Once the oil becomes hot, add fish one by one into it. Fry them nicely from all sides. Now turn it. It will take 2 to 3 minutes to fry it completely. You can see it's nicely fried. We can see crispiness here. Nice color. Nice aroma. Wow. Fry all fish like this. have fried all here. You can see it looks so beautiful. I want to have them right now. If you want to have, then try and eat, and also share your feedback to us in the comments. If you liked our video, do like and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for the new notifications. Thank you.